Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony Xperia 1V smartphone and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now there are two main reasons you might want to do this. The first is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with this phone where it keeps crashing or it is not working or not connecting, or if it is frozen and lagging, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues, and if you've tried everything else, this will very likely work. Now this will restore your phone to the way it was when it came out of the box, so you'll need to set everything back up, and that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this phone, or if you bought a used one, or just if for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start, like you just took the phone out of the box, we can go ahead and do that quite easily. With the phone, we're just going to go to the settings menu, and from settings, we're going to select system. From system, we'll select reset options, and from there we will select factory reset. Now, after we select that factory reset, we'll need to put in our PIN code or our pattern or whatever. And once we do that, then we'll just select erase all data to confirm, and everything will be wiped off the phone and it will be restored to its factory default setting.